Why do you think it is okay to invite me to your house as a guest and then you expect me to wash all the plates and pots that you used to cook? And it's not even just one pot, oh, 3 pots. Wetin you dey cook? Like, who you cook for? Because I don't really understand.
Ryan Little.
Hey Bethans, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. I'm so glad to have you here. If today is the first time on my channel, please do want to hit on the subscribe button before you leave. Also give this video a very big thumbs up right now or at the end if you enjoy watching this video, okay? Guys, let us talk, okay? Because I was just surfing the internet and then I came across this post, that people were just placing different comments on, and I thought to myself, this would be a very good conversation for us to have here. I would also love to hear your thoughts on this, right? So hello, I invite you to my house, okay? Just judge this matter, okay? I'm gonna just put this out there as a question, okay? Then you tell me what you think, because maybe I'm the one that is overthinking it. Maybe I'm the one that is overthinking the matter. Now, I invite you to my house. You are my guest. You are getting the gist, right? You are my guest. You got to my house. I served you a plate of jollof rice. Maybe I put chicken. I put, the better kitchen in me. I will want to overdo. I fit don cook coconut rice. I go don do zobo, do all these things. Better kitchen zobo. Do all these things. Prepare, they wait for you. Then I serve you, you chop finish. Then the next thing, you want to carry plates to my kitchen. Bear in mind, you are my guest. You are my guest. That be say, you be guests. Even if you are my friend, let's just assume that this is the first time that you are coming to my house, right? Now, you finish eating, then you are clearing the plates in my own house. Oh, you are clearing the plates. You want to carry it to the kitchen. As per Becca, the food was really nice. Let me carry it. And I'm like, oh, no, don't worry now. Don't worry. I'll carry it myself. Put your name there. I'll carry it myself. Don't worry. You can't say, oh, no, better now. Let me just take it to the kitchen. Let me just take it to the kitchen. I said, okay, good. Take it to the kitchen. Then you get to my kitchen and you find dishes unwashed. My sink is full, it's full. Then you find 3 pots, dirty pots. Because I don't know if better they cook when say you go get 3 dirty pots for sink. When we say they invite guests come in house, but better calm down. Calm down. Let's just assume that it's me that is inviting you. But it can never be me, because why my kitchen go dirty like that when they invite person come my house? But no one. You get to the kitchen, you find all these dirty dishes, and then you find like dirty pots, 3 pots to be specific. Yes, 3 pots, dirty pots. And bear in mind, na coconut rice I cook. What? Okay. Like I said, better hold on. Just ask them this question. Then you get there as a guest. What would you do? What would you do? I mean, would you just toss your own plate since the sink is already filled up with dirty plates now? As per, you will just put your own, abi? Or will you wash all the plates and the 3 pots? Please start typing, because it can't be like saying, now me dey overthink am. First of all, if you're my friend, that one dey different. You understand? You be my friend, say you know me in and out. I'm comfortable with you seeing my mess and all of that. Maybe. But it can't even be me, because why would I have dirty plates and dirty pots in my kitchen? And I'm inviting people. And my house is that before you enter my living room, you go past my kitchen. So you go down look and say, dirty plates or dirty pots. She na me wan wash am. She better leave all these things for, because I don't get it. And the funny thing is, I saw comments of people saying, oh, the guests should have just, washed everything, washed all the plates, washed all the pots, because apparently, what the guests had done in the post that I saw on Instagram, the guests had gone ahead to just wash her plates, because, I mean, there were dirty dishes littering everywhere in the kitchen, dirty pots, 3 dirty pots, and I'm trying to imagine that they were burnt pots, you don't cook rice, you don't burn. Maybe in a jollof, you cook, the tea don't burn. Then maybe you use the other one for pepper. I mean, like, I can't do it. Like, I don't even see my kitchen being that way. with guests over. Even if I dey leave my kitchen, wey be say my kitchen fit don dey dirty, dey smell. If I dey invite guests come my house, it's not possible. Like, why? Why? And even if, like, okay, better calm down. Now the problem here be say these guests now, she's been trying to call her friend that served her food, one plate of food. The friend no gree pick her call again. Now the friend send am text message, say she's very mean, she's a wicked person. That why would she wash only her plate? Why would she do this? Why would she do that? Like, I don't get. Please help me judge this matter. What would you have done if you had gotten to my kitchen and found dishes like that and pots? Would you have gone ahead to wash all the dishes, all the pots, 3 pots? You know what I'm emphasizing on pots? I hate to dey wash pots. Like, I detest it so much. Like, oh my God, I can pay you to help me wash the pots. I can bribe you because I don't like to wash dirty pots. Like, I don't like washing pots. I don't even like washing plates. Let's even start from there. I don't like washing plates. But then I do it because I cannot stand a dirty kitchen. I cannot. Like, I literally can't. Like, except, better you sick, or something, like you tired. But even in that tiredness, I don't like it. And my sister that is also, in fact, you know what? Let me start from my sister. Chima! Come. Hello. Let's assume that, let me give you my, let's assume that I invite you, no, you go and visit your friend, right?
Okay.
Now, this your friend served you rice, as per guest. You probably haven't even visited the friend before, right? And then you finish eating. Will you offer to carry your plate to the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, that's been the good girl in you is what's making you do this. Good. Now, you got to the kitchen and then you found
I don't know what you want to say.
My sister,
I don't know what you want to say, but yeah.
You now found that our sink was filled with dirty plates and 3 dirty pots. What would you do? You go wash everything. I mean, you go wash only your plate, come on, or you go not keep your own plate join.
I will drop it though. I would drop. How would I even go close to that place? I'll put it from afar.
I don't understand. Like, guys, it can never make sense to me.
Wait. Wait, the question is,
what would you do now?
I go to my friend's place.
Yes.
And I'm done eating.
Yes.
Then I now go to return plates.
Yes.
And I'm getting to that place.
Hey, you now see
and
that
I'm
the
seeing
thing full, lemu. With 3 pots. Wetin you dey cook?
What happened?
Wetin happen?
I usually food I ate is even safe.
So if I sleep for your house, if I sleep in your house for one night, I will mop the walls. I'll not only mop the floor, because only one place of food when you give me now.
No.
Because the problem here is that she's no longer picking her friend's call.
Why?
Sent her friend a text message telling the friend that you are a very wicked person. How could you wash only your plate?
She washed her own.
Yes,
I don't know what she told. No, I don't know what she told. When you're ready to, she washed the person. She washed her own. No, me, I'll not wash it. When you're ready, you wash everything.
Guys, see, it even dey be different. So be say, as I dey enter the kitchen, you don't dey follow me. Like, you dey follow me, say, see my kitchen, not very so. As per friends now, maybe you're my friend. You see that I get some friends.
You see that I don't want that part of you wash your own. That's why I'll just drop it. Like, I don't want human being are funny. I don't want that.
And that's why people don't come to about they're your house.
I don't want that. So you wash your own.
First of all, I'm a fantastic host. I know. My friends tell me all the time.
I'm irritated.
Okay. See, my friends tell me every time that I am a fantastic host, right? Because you don't have to stress. And I'm sure if you've come to my house before, you can testify. I know, like, some of you watch me. You can testify. I will not even let you go to my kitchen. You need water, I will get it. Like, if I dey serve you, I don't dey give you water. When you don't dey chop finish, na me go carry the plate. It's different if, you stay the night and then you're like, oh, no, it's okay, better, let me just help out. I get that part. But, like, Helping out would be helping out with the dishes that we both used, not the ones that I used before you came to my house. Like, for crying out loud, are you a dirty pig? I don't get. Now why normally I dey chop before I go person house so that you no go use one small plate now come dey give me work wey be say normally for my own house I no like to dey do am. You go come carry plate because I chop one plate of rice say I never hold belle full, make I come dey wash plates, dey wash pots, like unto wetin? For crying out loud, that's even a very awkward position to put your guest in. Like, now your guest is torn between should I wash, should I not wash, should I put, should I not put. Like, why would you even make your guest so uncomfortable to the point where they have to decide to wash only their dish and then leave there? First of all, as a guest, you're not allowed in my kitchen, okay? Maybe if you spend the night, like I said earlier, yes. Or maybe you're my friend, like my blood, my G, wey be say normally they come my house, you sef know say na you go kitchen go carry food wey you go chop because now be me go serve am. No, I'm not that nice. No, I go cook. Oh, go and take it. People that have been to my house, they know, especially the ones that have slept over in my house, you know. So me coming to your house as a first time guest, now that's wrong. Like, that is so wrong. Why would my guest even be packing dishes in the first place, okay, to take to my kitchen? For what? Wetin dey find? No, chop, you okay? Na me invite you come. Okay, relax. When I come your house, okay, serve me because me I no go help you carry plate. So don't come and carry in my own house. No, tea for thanks. Better still, if you know say you dey invite guests, so be say your hand, you too lazy, you no go fit wash plate before your guests come. Buy disposable plate. If you lazy, you suppose get money. Because no food for lazy man. You know say you no like to dey wash plate. Hello, buy disposable plates, disposable spoon, disposable fork, I bet you they call these things. Once we chop finish, squeeze and put inside dustbin. Not stress me. Not stress the small esophagus wey remain for my throat. Hello, leave me. Guys, please let me know what is your take on this, because I found this conversation very, very interesting, and I told myself that I was going to bring it on here. You know, shout out to the page, guys. I can't even remember where I saw it. Oh. But yeah, shout out to you because yeah, I found it on someone's page. Yeah, I found it on a page. Guys, I cannot remember, but if you saw it on social media, please let me know, you know, in the comments as well. But yeah, this is me saying shout out to you. But guys, let me know, what do you think about this situation, because it gets as it be. Abby, it get as they do you for body, right? So tell me. See, type all those things. I'm ready to read all of them. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and please share this video with your friends. Tell them to listen to me and then tell me what they think, because I'm not really, this one did not really go down way. You not go down way. But let me know what you think. Okay, thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and of course I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.